Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create that same SVG file that I have created in earlier videos. Same SVG file, but I am going to animate the texture of that SVG file. So first I am going to import that SVG file, scalable vector graphics. So it is in my download folder. So this is my SVG file. This is my SVG file. So what we have to do is click on this object, go in data, and then geometry, and click and drag on extrude like 0.3 thickness, here also 0.3 thickness, here also 0.3 thickness, 0.3 yeah, 0.3. Okay, so this is our svg file. So what I will do is I will click on all this, press Ctrl J to combine, and then this is our object, and then I am going to convert it into mesh. So this is now mesh. Now I'm going to go in edit mode. See, we can give uh, see, this is a triangulate. The polygons are triangulated, so we can add a remesh modifier and we can fix this, but it is okay for now. I'm going to give new material. I'm going to select and give yellow color, and I'm going to rotate it. Go in object mode. I'm going to rotate it 90 degree. So this is our cat, svg model cat. Now what I'm going to do, I will play with textures. I'm going to I will glow this part, the border, click and drag on all these faces, assign new material, and what you have to do is click here, go in compositor, add new, press shift A, search glare. Array. So this is our glare. What we have to do is click, go and click here bloom, and here go to emission and increase the why it is not glowing, dude. Click here and place always. Yes, now it is glowing. So go in object mode. See, now it is glowing. I will decrease little bit, and here I am going to go in edit mode, top vertex, click and drag here and assign. So this is our texture cat, glowing texture cat. This I have created in minutes. As you can see, I have created in 4 minutes with svg file, and now I'm going to animate little bit to go in timeline. So what is fun in blender is we can also animate textures. So I'm going to animate textures. Here I'm going to give red color. In Blender we can animate anything. The value we can animate anything. So this is our animated. Now what I have to do is I will rotate it also. Click here. I will push I. Click here, and then rotation value I will give 360. Type here 360 and then again add, and click on all this, press T and click on linear. So let's see. So let's see our, click on all this, press T again, linear, and let's see our animation. So see this, the colors are also changing. The series is stopping because this frame, this it is not rotating properly. This frame is 49. So click here 49, and now it will run smoothly, I think. It's 48, as 47. See, now it is rotating properly, smoothly. If you want to, if you can also make a video of this image in, it is very easy to create a video of this scene. If you want, you can also, the animation is, we can do easy animation very easily in Blender. For example, if I add one plane here, rotate it, array, please pause, rotate it like this, move a little bit back, and give here blue color, dark blue color, and then press camera, and we can also make video of this. Let me take the resolution of the video. We can also there is 48 frames, so we can also make a video of this scene very easily. So that's it, friend. Let me take one render is quickly. Lighting is not proper. Let me add some sunlight. So this will be our thumbnail render. Image, save as, desktop. I will name a test, and I will save as JPG image. Save image. So this will be our thumbnail render, and this is our video. So this is our video. See, it is also changing the colors. If we see properly, it is also changing the colors, and it is also glowing, and it is also rotating. So this is very easy animation, very basic animation, and very basic texturing in Blender. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.